Hello, everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join ACE Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, and STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This broadcast is for secondary school students. My name is Adesami Temitayo, and I welcome you to today's English class on ACE Radio School. I want to take this time to appreciate the students that sent in their responses to the baseline assessment. We got your text messages and you all did great. Today, I'll be teaching you the topic figures of speech. Figures of speech. Pay attention, students, because at the end of the lesson, I will ask you a few questions. I hope you're all ready. Get your writing materials and listen attentively. What is a figure of speech? A figure of speech is a word or phrase that possesses a separate meaning from its literal definition. It is used to convey meanings in fresh and unexpected ways. Figures of speech achieves a special effect by using words in a distinctive way. There are various figures of speech. We'll focus on 5 examples in today's class. Number 1. Simile. Simile. A simile makes comparison between two dissimilar things that have certain qualities in common by using like or as. Examples of simile are: A. The boy ran like a kangaroo. The boy is compared to a kangaroo using the word like. B. He is as strong as an ox. C. Mariam was as brave as a lion. In the examples B and C above, the two subjects are being compared with each other using as. Number 2. Metaphor. Metaphor. A metaphor is a word or phrase used to show the similarity between two unrelated things in a direct manner. Note that this is different from a simile because the words like and as are not used. Examples of metaphor are: A. The boy is a kangaroo when it comes to racing. B. He is an ox in the battlefield. C. Mariam is a brave lion. These examples make a direct comparison with the two unrelated subjects without using the words like and as. Number 3. Personification. Personification. Personification is when human attributes or qualities are given to inanimate or non-living things as though they are humans. This is done to portray the objects as alive and help the listener to read or reader paint a vivid picture. Examples of personification are: A. The wind whispered the arrival of the rains. B. The trees are dancing to the tune of the wind. C. The car died in the middle of the road. In these sentences, personification is used to bring non-human things to life. As you know, winds don't whisper. But in this instance, whisper, a human attribute, has been assigned to wind. Number 4. Hyperbole. 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 We use hyperboles to emphasize the importance or overstate something through exaggeration. Examples of hyperboles are: A. I have told you 1,000,000 times not to sleep late. B. I am so hungry that I could finish a mountain of fufu. C. His grandfather is older than the hills. The hyperboles or overstatements are used to create strong and lasting impression in the reader's mind. Number 5. Oxymoron. An oxymoron is a figure of speech in which two contradictory words or ideas are intentionally paired in order to make a point. Examples of oxymoron are: A. The examination was a bittersweet experience. In this example, bittersweet is the oxymoron. B. The comedian was seriously funny tonight. We have seriously and funny together, two contradictory words. C. I admire your perfect imperfections. We have the word perfect and imperfections coming together. Other examples of oxymoron include alone together, awfully good, definitely undecided, falsely true, painfully beautiful. From the examples, you can observe that two opposing words are paired together. Now it's question time. Are you ready? Listen to the following sentences and choose the appropriate figures of speech contained therein. Number 1. Education is our passport to the future. A. Simile. B. Metaphor. C. Personification. I take one again. Education is our passport to the future. A. Simile. B. Metaphor. C. Personification. Question 2. Earth is so kind to us that with just a tickle on her face with a hole, she laughs with a harvest. A. Simile. B. Personification. C. Hyperbole. I take question 2 again. Earth is so kind to us that with just a tickle on her face, she laughs with a harvest. A. Simile. B. Personification. C. Hyperbole. Question number 3. He is as tall as an Iroko tree. A. Metaphor. B. Personification. C. Simile. I take question 3 again. He is as tall as an Iroko tree. A. Metaphor. B. Personification. C. Simile. Send your responses as a text message indicating your name, gender, state, and subject, that is English, to 070 363 03182. I take the number again, 070 363 03182. Alright, well done students for participating with your friends in today's English lesson. Until I come your way again, it's Adesomi saying bye for now.
This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This broadcast is for secondary school students. Hello listeners, my name is Mrs. Oluwashina Teniola and I welcome you to today's mathematics class on ACE Radio School. Today, I will be teaching you averages. I will also explain how to find the mode and median of a given set of data. Get your pen and notebook and let's get ready to learn. What is an average? An average is a number that represents a group of numbers. I can simply ask, what is the average age of students in your class? At this point, I need a single age that represents the age of other students in the classroom. After a careful observation of other students' age in the classroom, I could just say that the average age of students in my class is 14. Let's consider one of the methods to find an average. The mode. The mode is the number that appears most frequently in a given set of data. The mode is the number that appears most frequently in a given set of data. Consider this example. Find the mode of the given set of data. 9, 10, 11, 11, 10, 10. Find the mode of the given set of data. 9, 10, 11, 11, 10, 10. This is quite simple. Remember, I said the mode is the number that appears most frequently in a given set of data. 9 appears once, 10 appears 3 times, and 11 appears 2 times. Which of the numbers appears most? It's 10. Great. 10 appears the most because it appears 3 times. Therefore, the mode is 10. Quite easily done. In order not to forget, you can sing or say mode means most, mode means most, mode means most, mode most, mode most, mode most. Great. Let's consider another example. Find the mode of the following data. 60, 62, 62, 64. Find the mode of the following data. 60, 62, 62, 64. This is very easy. 60 appears once, 62 appears 2 times, and 64 appears once. Therefore, the mode here is 62. This is because 62 appear 2 times, while 60 and 64 both appear once. There can be 2 modes in a given set of data. Consider this example. Find the modal value or values of the set of data given. 45, 45, 47, 48, 48, 49, 50. 45 appeared 2 times. 48 appeared 2 times, while 47, 49, and 50 appears once. Hence, 45 and 48 are the modes in the set of data given. Fantastic. Great job, listeners. Another method of finding averages is the median. The median is the middle number of a given set of data. Median is the middle number of a given set of data. Median, middle, median, middle, median, middle. To find the median of a set of data, the first step is to rearrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. That is, you will need to arrange the numbers from the highest to the lowest or from the lowest to the highest number. The second step is to pick the middle number. Let's consider this example. Find the median of the given set of data. Find the median of the given set of data. 3, 5, 7, 4, 3. I'll take it again. 3, 5, 7, 4, 3. First step, rearrange. 3, 3, 4, 5, 7. Great. Second step, Pick the middle number. The middle number is 4. Correct. What if I have two numbers in the middle? That's also easy. What you need to do is add the two middle numbers together and divide by 2. I'll take that again. Add the two middle numbers together and divide by 2. Consider this example. Find the median of the given set of data. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. First step, rearrange. Oh, this doesn't need to be arranged any further because it is already arranged from lowest to highest number. Second step, pick the middle number. There are two numbers in the middle. The two middle numbers are 6 and 7. Not to worry, let's add 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Good. Then let's divide by 2. 13 divided by 2 equals 6.5. Great. Therefore, the median is 6.5. Very simple. Well done, listeners. We've come to the end of today's session. We learned how to find the mode and median of a given set of data. I'd like you to try this as an assignment and send in your answers to this phone number 070-3630-3182. Type your name, age, gender. If you're a boy, type male. If you're a girl, type female. Your class and the state you currently live in. I hope you have done that. Now the questions. 1. Find the mode of 9, 12, 12, 15, 15, 15. I'll take it again. Find the mode of 9, 12, 12, 15, 15, 15. 2. Find the median of 9, 12, 12, 15, 15. Find the median of 9, 12, 12, 15, 15. 3. Find the median of 7, 9, 7, 8. Find the median of 7, 9, 7, 8. Okay? I will be expecting your answers. You can catch up on past episodes on our YouTube channel called Ace Radio School. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, it's bye for now.
This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This session is for secondary school students. Hello listeners, my name is Mrs. Mosi and I am your ACE Radio School chemistry teacher. I hope you are excited to learn about chemistry. So, when you hear chemistry, what do you think of? Test tubes, the periodic table, mixing chemicals? They are all correct. They are part of chemistry. However, we will start from the very beginning. So, what is chemistry? Chemistry can be defined as a branch of science that studies what things are made of and how they work. We can also define chemistry as the science that deals with the properties, composition, and structure of substances and the transformations they undergo. We experience chemistry in our everyday lives. For example, cooking your food is chemistry. Mixing colors is chemistry. When water turns to ice, it is chemistry. When you mix two things or more together, it is chemistry. Can you now see how chemistry is involved in our lives every day and how important it is? In summary, chemistry is the study of the makeup of all things and how they behave. Okay, let us move on and learn more exciting things. Have you heard of matter in relation to science? Okay, let's talk about matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Almost everything around us is matter. We can say that chemistry is the study of the change of matter. That is how things are being made or produced. Did you know that you are matter? Trees, houses, rocks, water, and even the air you breathe are all matter. Did you also know that almost everything you see has a chemical composition in it? The clothes you wear, the phone you have, your cup at home, the pen in your hands, the radio you are listening through, they all have chemical components in them. Let's talk about the states of matter. The state a substance exhibits is the physical properties, that is, the natural state it exists in. Matter can exist in any of three states, that is either solid, liquid, or gas. Some substances exist as gases naturally or at room temperature. Example, the air we breathe in, which is oxygen, exists as a gas naturally, and carbon dioxide that we breathe out also exists as a gas naturally, while others like liquid, mercury metal exist as liquids. Substances like phones, stones, they exist as solids. All substances can exist in any of these three states, that is either solid, liquid, or gas. So you see that everything you can possibly think of is matter. Now let us talk about physical and chemical changes. What is a physical change? A physical change is a change to a sample of matter in which some properties of the material changes, but the identity of the matter does not. I'll take it again. A physical change is a change to a sample of matter in which some properties of the material changes, but the identity of the matter does not. For example, tearing a paper, cutting a fruit, crushing a can. Now, when you have a piece of paper and you tear it up or you squeeze it, it becomes smaller as a result of the tear, and it is not the same again as when it hadn't been torn. When you look at the paper and compare it to how it was initially, you will notice that it is no longer the same physically. However, it is still a paper. The physical properties have changed, therefore a physical change has occurred. Hence, the characteristics that describe matter as it exists are called the physical properties. In contrast, a chemical property describes the ability of a substance to undergo a specific chemical change because new substances are entirely formed. For example, fire burning in a bush, food becoming spoiled, baking a cake, burning wood, fermentation of carbohydrates, digesting food, cooking an egg, roasting of iron, and so on. For example, when you're about to take your tea, that's your hot chocolate drink, and you mix your powdered milk and cocoa powder in hot water, you will notice that you can no longer see the individual milk or cocoa powder in the powdered form that they existed initially. We say a chemical change has taken place because a new substance has been formed. So now I hope you understand the concept of physical and chemical change. Like I explained earlier on, for a physical change, no new substance is formed. The form is changed in its physical appearance, but nothing new is formed. In a chemical change, a new substance is formed. For example, when something burns, it becomes ashes. Ashes is the new substance formed. Now let us learn more examples of chemistry in our day-to-day activities. When you eat your food, it digests. The nutrients are absorbed into the body and later on you use the toilet, thereby disposing the waste. Chemistry has occurred in your tummy that releases enzymes to break down what you ate. When our clothes are dirty, we wash them with soap or detergent, and these substances surround the dirt and makes it easy for the dirt to be washed away. This is also chemistry. When we are ill, we take drugs to make us feel better, and we also take some drugs to boost our immunity. This is chemistry. Eating, washing, taking drugs all involve chemistry. Now you see how chemistry is involved in our everyday lives. This shows how chemistry is important in life. We have come to the end of today's lesson, and I will give you an assignment. Please send your answer in a text message to 070-363-03182. Make sure you also type your name, age, class, subject, and the state you currently live in. So anything that has mass and takes up space is called what? A. Thought. B. Matter. C. Hope. Now click send and we'll receive your answer. Thank you for listening. If you can, subscribe to our Ace Radio School YouTube channel to catch up on topics you have missed. Our channel on YouTube is called Ace Radio School. Bye everyone. Be sure to tune in next week.
Hello everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, and STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.